monsoon with little care. The monsoon evokes mixed feelings ranging from mischief, playfulness, fun, and romance to misery, gloominess, filthiness, and irritation. In fact, getting caught in rain showers unprotected can convert even the most perfect makeover into a complete disaster. Constant care is therefore required to keep your hair lustrous and your skin glowing. Waterborne diseases like gastro, malaria, typhoid, fungal infection, jaundice, viral infection, etc. can mask the monsoon celebration. Mosquitoes are on rise in monsoon and bring with them a host of illness. Cases of malaria and dengue are on upswing. Here are a few tips that could help you. For sudden burst of viral fevers, homeopathy helps a lot without lowering the immunity of the patient. Remedies like aconite, gelsemium, pulsatilla, belladonna, etc. help to relieve the flu-like symptoms. Fungal infection that affect the foot can be avoided by wearing dry gumboots while going out in rain. Keep your feet absolutely dry. Avoid walking barefoot also to prevent disease like leptospirosis, which is a rat urine-borne disease. Diabetes should be aware of the foot care, especially in monsoon. For fungal infection, homeopathy medicines like allium cepa, tellurium, petroleum, etc. work against the fungus. Moxol 30 potency 5 pills twice in a day recommended for fungal infection in the groins. Gastric ailments like gastritis, gastroenteritis, and jaundice are the nastiest troubles in monsoon. They can be prevented by drinking boiled water, eating freshly cooked food, and avoid roadside food. Boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes after it starts boiling is essential and most effective way to fight the spores. Prefer bottled water when eating outside, that too of reputed companies. Change in drinking water is the commonest cause of gastrointestinal tract infection in monsoon. Here homeopathic medicines like ginger, natrum sulph, arsenic alb, nux vomica, etc. come to our rescue. Dandruff and hair fall are quite common in this season. A little care every day could keep hair raising troubles at bay. It may seem like a pointless ritual to set style and reinvent hairstyle during the rains. To avoid a flat, damp or frizzy look, conditioning and neatly tying a ponytail is a favorable solution as the hair tangles easily in the wet season. A therapeutic and rejuvenating hair massage can help to revitalize those damp roots. Use a scarf to protect your hair from winds and adverse weather conditions. Oiling and washing your hair at least thrice a week with lukewarm water is advisable. Use only mild shampoo or herbal based shampoo rather than lathering shampoo as the latter tend to dry and roughen your hair, and preferably dry your hair with thin towels. Avoid getting wet or high humidity can damage your hair and lead to hair fall. If you get drenched in the rain, wash your hair immediately with a mild shampoo and follow it up by a conditioner to keep the scalp free of germs. If you tend to have dandruff and fungal infection, use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Do not use styling gels and brush your hair with a wide tooth comb. Use mosquito net are the most ideal way to prevent mosquito-borne disease like malaria, dengue, chikungunya, etc. Homeopathy, being a holistic medicine, acts even as a preventive for rain-borne ailments. But here too it is necessary to individualize each person and decide the remedy. Constitutional dose, considering the whole personal, helps prevent any kind of disease provided you follow the other preventive measures. Ailments like rheumatism and asthma have their flare of aggravation during monsoon. Here remedies like natron salt, rustox, ruta, blata orientalis, etc. help to minimize the acuteness of the disease. Eat light food during monsoon. Avoid overeating in any circumstances. Enjoy ample soup prepared of fresh vegetable. Add ginger to your daily diet. It gives you a necessary warmth and disease fighting immunity. Don't eat raw food as far as possible. If you need to eat raw vegetables, wash them in potassium permanganate solution. So follow all the necessary guidelines and monsoon is your to